Hi, Zach Petros here, standing on our brand new Scout 235 XSF from Scout Boats. Great family fishing boat. We're going to talk about a lot of the great features on this boat, starting at the helm. Dual companion seat here at the helm. Flip up bolsters here. Flips down really easily. Very ergonomic design. At the helm, you've got a center mount of all your switches, battery gauge monitor here, integrated engine display into your main display, of course, Garmin, which is a classic option on all these Scouts. To the right, you've got great storage in there, fully enclosed windshield, so you've got a small gap at the top to get air behind it. Down here, you've got USB hookups for your stereo and a 12-volt plug. This boat has a Yamaha 250 4-stroke on it. With that, you get digital binnacles here, so you have digital shift, and then of course C-Star hydraulic steering. In the back here, you've got plenty of rod storage for your fishing expeditions. Great rear bench seat here, folds up nice and easily, just like that, giving you access to your bilge down below. Well lit, well organized, easy to access. Lighted bait well in the port corner, easy to access. If you're doing any type of nighttime fishing, very easy to use, clear lid, so if you're daytime fishing with like pogies or something on the beach, your fish don't get shocked when you pull them out. Moving forward, on this side of the console, gain access to your lighted head compartment. We can install whatever type of head you would like on that. Also access to your battery panel and your accessory switches there, and whatnot. Moving forward, spacious bow area. We've got a huge lounger here in the center of the boat. Two forward-facing backrests with more of a U-shape instead of a classic V-shaped bow area. Flip these open. You gain overboard discharging storage here. Stainless steel shocks also. Here in the center, you've got a nice storage area. This is insulated, so you can use it as a fish box. It's also gasketed, so it will hold a pretty decent amount of ice. If you notice, you've got blue LED courtesy lights all the way underneath the gun rails, all the way around. LED spreaders up top on both front, forward, and aft. JL audio speakers hooked up to your Fusion stereo, so you get plenty of entertaining capability out of the boat. Overall, just a great package. Come down to MarineMax Jacksonville and take a look at this brand new Scout 235 XSF. Thanks.